Hello, my name is Sahita Diaparwaratri. I want to describe air conditioner. Air conditioner is machine that is made to stabilize the temperature and humidity of the air in a room. Air conditioner has a function to condition the air in a room so that it feels cool and comfortable. Air conditioner mechanism. Turn on the AC using the remote on the on button after the refrigerant from low pressure evaporator flow into the compressor so that it become high pressure. Then flow into the conditioner and heat will be released outside the room with the help of a fan. Then the cold refrigerant flow to the cooling coil on the evaporator. The main component in air conditioner: condenser, compressor, evaporator, capillary pipe. Thank you.